Previously on
Our well agri machinery.
Thank you for watching. If you could subscribe or leave a like or leave a comment, I'd appreciate it very much. Thank you very much for watching. I'm basically just mocking this up really. I think I'll get away with it if I cut an angle off a metal bit and this will just come up to meet it. You know, it has a bit of a bend in it before it kinks in. So I'll see if I can get away with that without having an extra joint to bring it down in. I need to get the proper size Jubilee clip, but for this now it'll be right. I've gone around now, I measured it all up and I've gone around and marked quite a few spots to actually cut it. So I'm going to cut it straight then. Okay, so I cut it with a hacksaw, but as you can see the cords inside it has made it quite fluffy. So I'm running grinder over it now quickly and you can see it's bringing it back to a nice finish. So I tacked this piece of offcut on before. I think I'll take a grinder and maybe sort of cut it a bit sharper angle in. So you just get it to meet up tidy there. Cut away a bit of between these and put a nice plate there. I can put my pipe for this onto that one. I've got a piece of flat bar just across the diesel tank and the rad. The actual bonnet will be a bit higher, but not much. You see, it's quite tight early in it. I made this piece like a year or two ago, but I never finished it off. So I finally got the pipes to suit, and I'm going at it to do it now. So yeah. So I welded it on and remarked it, and gone right the way around. So I'll take a grinder now and cut all the way through everything. So that's it really. I've cut the middle out of it, so I won't restrict airflow. I just take a grinder, clean it up a little bit. I missed out a little bit there. And get a file and file away all these little, burrs then, so engine doesn't suck them in again. So making the end plate now. I don't need it too heavy then, just fairly strong bit of steel. So this is like a strut from inside oil tank. So it's been plasma cut off. I'm going to square it off first, and I've cleaned it all up then. That was easy to hold for grinder and so don't mind if I lose out of it. Yeah, so I'm going to square it off first, then I'll measure off that then. So it's nice, make it nice and square then anyway. So just taste around it. So I'll watch now as I get rid of all the black, because I've made it a bit white early. Okay, so that's it done. It's a bit thinner, so I had to go a little bit at a time. Done alright. So I'll check this again. Because it's quite thin, I'll get a cordless drill and a hole saw, and I can just drill a hole through it for the pipe for the actual clamping on. Then tidy it up and go to paint really. So that's it, drilled out to about 55. I need to take a die grinder now. Take that bit off, make an angle there, and get rid of a burr right around inside. Okay. If we ever change an exhaust on a car, we cut out a usable section and keep it, just in case. So this now, you can see the hanger there. It's just the right size. So to mark it, to cut it, I'm actually using a Jubilee clip. I'm tightening on it, and I'm then tracing around with a marker. So it's a nice straight cut then. I just have to follow a line right round. So I'm doing the second one now. Only, it'll stick inside the part a little bit. I need a little bit of place for the weld, and then just somewhere for the clamp really. Don't need too much. I'll keep that section there with a hanger on it, just in case it come handy for repairing exhaust again then. So that's it really. So that's it. I'll give it a coat of paint now and call it a day. So cutting silicone hoses with hacksaw. You can see all the cords have gone quite fluffy, it's like wool. So to get rid of it now, I'm going to take a grinder quickly over it. You see, nice finish now. Just take a bit more, but yeah, you see, do that all the way around. It's quite tidy, man. So that's it done with now. I need to take it off again and give it a coat of blue when I paint the other bits when I'm going to make for it. But for now then it's finished off.